Unlocking the secrets of money psychology. Wealth, greed, and happiness. Money is not just about numbers, it's about psychology, emotions, and human behavior. It's about the decisions we make, the fears we harbor, and the dreams we chase. The way we earn, spend, save, and invest is deeply influenced by our mindset, habits, and life experiences. Money problems aren't always about a lack of financial education. Sometimes it's a lack of self-awareness. In this video, we're diving deep into the psychology of money. We'll explore how it affects your financial decisions and why so many people struggle to get ahead. Most importantly, we'll show you how to develop a healthier, more prosperous relationship with your wealth. Let's talk about fear and greed, two of the most powerful emotions that can make or break your financial life. Fear can paralyze you, keep you from taking risks, from investing, from starting that business you've always dreamed of. On the flip side, greed can make you reckless, chasing get-rich-quick schemes and making impulsive decisions. Take Warren Buffett, for example. He doesn't panic when the market dips, he sees opportunity. Understanding your emotions is the first step to controlling them. Don't let your feelings make financial decisions for you. Now, let's talk about mindset. There's a big difference between a rich mindset and a poor mindset. People with a poor mindset see money as a source of stress, always slipping through their fingers. They live paycheck to paycheck, drowning in debt, and believe they'll never get ahead. Folks with a rich mindset see money as a tool to build the life they want. They understand the importance of budgeting, saving, and investing. They believe in their ability to create wealth, and they're not afraid to work for it. One simple rule that can help shift your mindset is the 50-30-20 rule. It's about taking control of your finances instead of letting them control you. The science of spending wisely. Our society is obsessed with the idea that more money equals more happiness. But happiness derived from material possessions is fleeting. True happiness comes from experiences, relationships, and living a life of purpose. Don't fall into the trap of keeping up with the Joneses. High-interest debt like credit cards and payday loans are financial quicksand. The best way to break free from debt and start spending wisely is to create a budget. Track your income and expenses, identify areas to cut back, and start paying down that debt. Investment psychology. How to build wealth. Investing is where you can truly grow your wealth and secure your financial future. One of the biggest mistakes people make is letting their emotions dictate their investment decisions. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, discipline, and a long-term perspective. The power of compounding is like magic, pulling wealth out of thin air. The longer you invest, the more your money grows, and the more that growth compounds on itself. Compounding takes time. Be patient. Start investing early, even if it's just a small amount. Let the power of compounding work its magic. Financial freedom, the ultimate goal. Financial freedom means having control over your time and your money. It's about not being chained to a job you hate just to pay the bills. It's about having the freedom to pursue your passions and spend time with loved ones. So how do you achieve financial freedom? It takes work. First, get your income up. Find ways to earn more. Second, save and invest aggressively. Kick debt to the curb. Pay it down as fast as you can. Diversify your income streams. Explore different investment options. Start planning and saving for retirement now. Take control of your financial destiny. Mastering the psychology of money is about mindset, habits, and discipline. Control your urges, ignore the noise, and stick to your plan. Spend less than you earn, save and invest consistently, and avoid debt. This isn't about depriving yourself, it's about building a life of true wealth and freedom. Think long-term and don't get sidetracked by short-term gratification. Focus on financial freedom, not just earning more. Start today, make those small changes, and your future self will thank you.